on the beat.
First, we will start with hanging our clothes. Here we have a pinstripe vintage Tommy Hilfiger shirt. First things first, we will remove the shirt from the hanger. When you're removing a shirt from the hanger, instead of going from the top and stretching your collar, which will eventually change the form of your shirt in a negative way, you want to go to the bottom of it. Go. Nice and easy. In the same fashion, the way that we went down to the bottom of the shirt to take the hanger off, we'll go through the bottom of the shirt to put the hanger on. Having the hanger to the side like this makes that easier. The reason again we don't want to do that from the top of the collar is because it puts you in a position to stretch the collar, therefore changing the form of your shirt. And if you do that, it may not fit your body the same way as before. We have the shirt on the hanger, but we are not yet finished. You want to be very intentional with the way that you hang your garments. Here, the seam of the shoulder is on the back side of the hanger, which will leave an indent near the collarbone. This indent, if this shirt is left like this indent will stay within the shirt and will be difficult to get out, which will leave a bad form and bad shape of your shirt. So what you want to do is take that shoulder seam and line it on the edges of the hanger. Here, the seam has fallen to the front of the hanger, which will leave a nasty and difficult indent on the back of the shirt. You can fix this by again lining the seam on the hanger. Here we go, our seams are lined, but still we need to fix and adjust the collar. You want to have your collar on the hanger like you'd wear it. You may not have it buttoned up all the way, but you still want to do it in order to ensure the proper structure of the shirt. And there you have it. Properly hung shirt. Takes a bit of extra time, but it is worth it. In the shop, I do prefer to fold our denim because of the lack of spacing sometimes. You basically take the bottom part of the jeans, fold it towards the waist, fold it in half. A very simple fold. Very simple. Now if you do have the extra space, hang your denim jeans. These hangers offer a lot more room in your closet and also keep your denim wrinkle free so that you don't have to do any extra ironing when you're ready to wear them. But if you do not have access to those hangers or do not want to spend the extra money, these hangers do just fine. Simply put it in there, wrap it obviously halfway. This takes up more space, but it's also a good way of storing your denim. Very simple. You can hang your t-shirts. This is just fine. I would not suggest it because the weight of the shirt will cause it to stretch at the shoulder, making your shirt change, your t-shirt at least, change its form and appear bigger. It'll basically, the gravity of the shirt will basically elongate the t-shirt. So what I prefer is to fold our t-shirts. Not only does it help with spacing, but it ensures that the t-shirt keeps its natural tag size. You don't want our t-shirts to fit any larger or any bigger than what the shirt tag says. There is a proper way to fold your clothes. What I'm about to do quickly right now is the improper way. This is not how you want to fold your clothes. 1, folding your clothes in half, or your t-shirts for at least, will leave a nasty indent right there, down the middle of the shirt. This indent will be very hard to get out when you're ready to wear this piece of clothing. What you can do instead is take that shirt, stretch it out, removing all wrinkles. We want to be very intentional with how we take care of our clothes because we want them to last long, right? Fold it in half, clothes again. And as you practice this fold, you'll get faster. It won't take very long, but it'll ensure that your clothes last long. Right here, where the collar is, from the shoulder, where the shoulder meets the neck of the shirt, you want to take it, fold it in half. This is how your average retail store folds its shirts. Here you have the neck, the hemline of the shoulder, and you want to fold it again. Take this little extra bit right here. Then when you flip your shirt over, you should show some of the chest and the full collar. It is important that we properly store our clothing so that they may last longer and they may keep their shape and fit our bodies well. Improper storage of our clothing will shorten the lifespan of your clothes and also contribute to more damage to your clothing. The goal of the proper and safe storage of our clothes is to extend the lifespan of our clothes so that we can have multiple uses and we can get the most value